GM announcing just moments ago it's upping its EV investment by some $8 billion to $35 billion through 2025. Our Phil LeBeau joins us now with a very special guest. Phil?
Scott, thank you very much. Let's bring in Mary Barra, the chairman and CEO of General Motors, joining us from Washington, D.C. this morning. Mary, this is a huge commitment that General Motors is making. And I know you've got two pieces of news today. You've got the upgraded guidance for the first half as well as your EV commitment. Let's start first off with the EV commitment. $8 billion, two additional battery plants in addition to the two you've already committed to. Give me a blueprint, if you could, as you look over the next couple of years.
Well, I think what we're seeing is with the strength of our Ultium platform and our commitment, unwavering commitment to moving to EVs as quickly as possible, we continue to make advancements. If you go back before the pandemic, we were at $20 billion as we worked through and said we were going to accelerate our move to EVs. We went to $27 billion, and then because of the strength of the Hummer truck, the Hummer EV, the Cadillac Lyriq, and BrightDrop, and other commercial vehicle opportunities we have, in addition to the Chevrolet Silverado, we recognized that we needed additional battery cell capacity. So we're very happy to be announcing today that we'll be adding 2 more additional battery cell manufacturing plants in the U.S. By the end of 2025.
You say the strength of whether it's the Hummer, whether it's the Lyriq, the BrightDrop offerings. Are you hearing back from, your dealers or customers, whether it's on the fleet side or elsewhere, who are saying, yeah, bring it. We want more than what you initially thought?
Actually, Phil, that is exactly it across whether it's BrightDrop, whether it's some of the commercial vehicle offerings that we're going to have, whether it's the Hummer truck and SUV, the Cadillac Lyriq. Customers we're getting great customer feedback. And as you know, many of these vehicles, if they have been put on sale, they're already sold out. Or when we talk to our fleet customers, very, very strong demand. And then we can't wait to start taking orders for the Cadillac Lyriq. So across the board, we are seeing exceptionally strong reactions and positive response to all of our electric vehicles.
Mary, what's funding this is the fact that you're having a heck of a year in terms of profits. This morning, you raised your guidance for the first half. You now plan to make between $8.5 and $9.5 billion. I know you already said you expected to do better than expected for the second quarter and for the first half. What are you seeing in terms of the ability to manage the chip shortage? Because I think a lot of people are going to be surprised when they see how well you're doing in the second quarter.
Well, I have to credit our team. We have a cross-functional team that is really seizing every opportunity to identify chips and make substitutions to enable us to continue to build our vehicles that are incredibly strong demand. And so with that work, with the strong performance of General Motors Financial, and the fact that because of the work by the team, there were some chips that we were able to make available that allowed us to pull production from third quarter into second quarter, all of that is contributing to the strong results that we believe we're going to deliver in this first half. The chip situation continues to be very complex and very volatile, but I'm confident our team is going to enable every single vehicle possible to be built.
Mary, it's Jim Cramer, and it is so great to see you. Congratulations on everything you're doing, and particularly what you're doing for the environment. So great to see you. How are things going when it comes to what you're going to do with batteries?
Well, Jim, it's great to see you as well. And, I think the work that we're doing, not only do we have one of the largest battery labs in North America, I think the largest battery lab in North America, our team working in partnership with startup companies as well as LG, and then the work we're doing our own gives us confidence that we're going to be in a leadership position in battery cost. As we introduce the Ultium platform, the cost will go down 40% from what they are today with the Chevrolet Bolt EV. And then by mid-decade, we expect that'll be a 60% reduction. And that's not the end. We have a technological roadmap to take even further cost out of the battery cells while improving energy density.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.